Welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. I cannot believe it's been a week of vlogging. I hope that you all are enjoying these vlogs. I just came from church and now I'm headed to the Container Store to do a pickup. And then I'm doing as I said I would. I'm going into Paper Source to see if I can find a planner in person. Touch it, feel it, all the things. So, here we go. Alright, I got all the goods in there. And I also snagged some Slice brand products. I love their products because they have silicone blades. Alright. There you go. I love all of these selections of wrapping paper for the holidays. All the pretty bows. The thing that I like about Paper Source is they have things that have a little bit more character. So some of their things look kind of 3D. They have all different types of like textures, and some things with sparkle, something without. Like this is more of like a matte finish bow, but just really pretty. Look at this one with the cat on it. How adorable is that? So fun. Look at this one with the candy canes. Here I go with the candy canes again. So many pretty patterns. This is like classic Santa right here. Classic Santa Claus. Like that Coca-Cola Santa Claus. Really pretty.
You mentioned the water tracking.
Yeah.
This actually has a whole page of water tracking stickers.
Oh, cute.
So if there's one that you like that doesn't have the water tracker, you could add that in there.
Okay,
And we
nice.
also have these stencils, which I would think would have a water tracker, but I don't know. There's just so many in there.
There's so many. Yeah.
But I could take them out if you want to look at what stencils are in there, if that interests you, depending on if you want to get out your planner.
Yeah, I like the stickers.
Stickers are.
Yeah.
I use this for mine, and I've
Okay.
actually bought 2 of these now.
Okay.
Because I use so many. So.
Yeah, I'm trying to get on my planner game. She was just telling me about Planner Talk, which I had no idea
Oh yeah.
that was a thing. This one I like the feel of it, but I don't like the inside. I like how the texture feels.
Yeah.
So I know this brand. I have the 5-minute journal from them.
Yeah. We actually have the 5-minute journal over there.
You do?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Take care, bye.
I do that every day.
Hi there, welcome in. Hi, thank you.
We forgot about this one. Is the 3 times happier journal as well, which I think is the same people.
I'm like, can I just get the same planner that I just got? Just change the dates to 20.
Yeah,
26.
since see if that.
You
had a calendar, this one would be good.
Ruth and Ramona.
Yeah. Because it has top priorities, done tasks, today, today's intention, what I'm grateful for, and the date. And on the other page, it has today's movement, today's waters, today's nourishment, today's act of self-care, favorite part of my day, top 3 priorities for tomorrow. Like, this is perfect. If you could just put a calendar right here for the month, or even for a week, like a weekly calendar. This would be...
That's the daily overview planner, and then they have a quarterly overview planner and a weekly overview planner. And this is all through their website too.
Okay.